Good afternoon, one and all. This is Harpriya, one of the member of next team. My debate is going on in women are great and men are great. I am always saying that the men are great. Men are always superior to the women, physically and intellectually. Men are always support to the women. And next, from the past, men are always men are ruling the world.
First of all, I pursue my great respect to women. The creation of women on this earth gives very much love and affection and shows very much affection towards in our society, in our family and all.
You need not call, look at us. Talk to her, you're talking to her.
In our society, love is the other name of women. Women in the society who shows and spreads love in our families.
But men are always support to the women. It is only depends on the men.
We even live on quotes, which is there is a quote which say that behind every successful man there is a woman. And women in the society, if she does not support a man in different sectors, then men cannot succeed.
But from the past, all the world is ruling the men.
Ruling a man, it is not about ruling or earning money or something. It is the situations which a woman deals in front of a man to support or to sacrifice the needs for man.
But men are very daring to compare to the women.
Powers may give to good or evil spirits. Spirits do have powers. Then it is not true that every man who has power is a good one.
But men are very powerful because always men support to the women in every situation.
There might be some situations, but
Without the guidance of men, no woman can withstand or she can't lead without the support of men.
But without the patience or love by the woman, a man also cannot do anything.
But the man is one person who can do everything and do what he wants to do. He is always daring and dashing, and he can perform or he can make into the act what he thinks.
I always said that powers are given to both men or also same as to evils. Evils do have powers, but evils use their powers in a negative manner. Men use their powers sometimes in positive, sometimes in negative. But woman is the only creature which supports good and bad.
But we can't say that you can't say that always women are ruling the world. But we can say that men are always ruling the world.
I say that women have very much patience. She can do the things good or wrong. She knows the capability that the things will go wrong or right.
Yeah, of course. But men are the people who always make the words of women into real things. They always support women. Without the support or guidance of men, women cannot withstand in the present society.
A great person said earlier, if you educate a man, you educate only a man. If you educate a generation, if you educate a woman, you educate a generation.
No doubt in that, but you have to educate men first. Because of support of men, a woman can do anything.
No, if you educate a woman, then she can do everything as that of I can say that she can do better than men.
But always the men are ruling and the men always do what they want and
those are past days. We can't say that. The future is not in our hands. Women can do anything if she thinks.
Men always support women because without the support of men, women cannot do anything. And the guidance and support of men and the man are the security to women. Because if a woman goes out, she can today present generation and the present situations around the world. If a woman always need a support of men because of the present situations.
As you said, women needs a security. Why women needs a security? Because of men, the other men. So the women should get the power to handle those situations.
But woman is always weak than men physically.
Woman is dominated. She is not weak. Women should grow up to clear the situations.
Women must grow up to clear the situations, but she needs the support of men
rules for the women.
Government applied, men only make them into acts, okay? So,
You can't say that only act should be done by women. Those are implemented by both men and women. In Lok Sabha also we have women's candidate.
we have women's candidate, but those women and the protection of women are also led by men.
No. I will give you an example. A great voice said there should be not a drop of liquor in Gujarat, which was raised by a common housewife.
It was raised by a common housewife and it came into act by Narendra Modi, he is a man.
Yeah, but the raised Narendra Modi as a CM, he knows the problems of Gujarat, but he did not raise the matter. Women is the one who raised it and solved it. If women does not raise the matter, he would not take it to act.
She raised, I accept that. She raised,
You are.
she raised to a point, but the man who is there is Narendra Modi, the man who supported it and came into act.
He helped her because
Without the help of man, no woman can sustain here in the present day generation.
no woman can sustain if the rights are
In
given.
a family, if you take the example of in a family, father, he's a person who goes out and he always thinks about the family. Here in a family also, a father is a man and he always he believes he supports his wife that she is a woman and she is a lady. He always supports. Without the support of a man or a boy or a man, the woman cannot sustain her life peacefully and peacefully in the
When you just give a sentence, woman balances the family. As you said earlier, man goes out and just handles, bring money and etc. etc. But the woman lives in the four rooms and support the family and balance the family.
Without man, no woman can support the family.
No, why? She can.
But only women can talk to only houses, but men can do anything. They should have any work in outside and inside. But compared to the women, women are very sensitive.
But there is a quote that behind every successful man there is a woman. So
Women are only given support, but it is implemented by a man.
no, how if woman is great, she can help her. Every successful man there is a woman. No.
Only women can give support, but it is implemented by a man in different situations.
How women are more patient than men. They can take care of it.
Men can also do anything.
Men will take care of
Only
household
women can
items.
support it. Man can do in household works and outside also.
If we take an example of a mother, she will do all the things in the house. She will take care of children.
Father can, she always respects her husband.
So mother look after her children and she does all works, but she always supports her husband and she always bounds the words of her husband.
There may be different tensions in the office for men. There may be different. He might have different tensions outside the work, but the hard work, the strength a woman puts in a home, when compared to the men's work, is very much more. So in that way,
Women lives in inside the four walls and she always supports her family. But the man who was the person who always supports his, who always thinks more than a woman and for his family, but he never exhibits that.
A struggle of 8 hours for a man outside the home in his office gives him relaxation when he enters the house. The house which is set a closed forward. The woman who lives in the closed forward creates the happiness and love for that man to get relaxed.
But man, though he's trained 8 hours outside, he always trains for his family and he always thinks about his wife. I mean, father. He always thinks about the mother and the children and his children. But he never expects, because if he expects his idea about how the family is going on, and if he is very affectionate to his family, definitely the family members are will not go in order. The family things will not go in order, and the management is always done by a man in a family.
Family, the name family turns on when there are two people, that is mother and father. The birth of new child also starts from a mother. The happiness which you are saying,
Father.
yeah, the happiness which you are saying is created by a father is also a support by mother in a house.
Yes, it's support, but men, without the support of men, women are always suppressed and sustained. Only men gave a chance to women to raise them up. So the present day situations, reservation for ladies and etc. made by men. They always supported women.
Yeah, the right of voice for a woman spells and sounds more than a right of voice for a man in a society.
In a society, but the man always supports women. Without the support of men, the women cannot be grown much.
Because when suppose a woman, because the words spoke by the women are always correct.
Women are always correct, but without the implementation of men, no women can, no words of women are heard in the society.
No, I will pursue for the respect for the women only. If we take Mother Teresa, a love towards food is made us to visualize that a great image towards real humanity.
We can take Anna Hazare. Mother Teresa in one way she loved the poor people and all the others. But if we take Anna Hazare, Mahatma Gandhi gave he fought for the independence with peace, non-violence. He gave independence to the country.
There are so many other people also who have fought for the peace in our country. Like Kiran Bedi, she was the first IPS officer.
Yeah, of course. But Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, they always stood in one word, and they always stood for in one word and fought for the independence of the country, and they gave independence which now we are enjoying.
Indira Gandhi is one of the best examples for the women.
But she is the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, who always motivated others about the country's situations. He wrote many letters from like his Nainsa prison to his daughter Indira Gandhi about you have to be like this and you have to be like that. Without the guidance here, Nehruji guided his daughter.
As a father, he guided. Your father don't guide you.
As a father, he guided, but a man guided a woman.
No, you can't bring the family situation.
Why can't we bring that? Why can't we bring the family situation?
Women have more patience than men.
Women have more patience, but without men, women are always suppressed.
Women support each and every matter of the men. Like in the family, women support men so that she can handle the family.
Without the men, she can't handle the family.
It is going to support the women. All families will depend upon the men.
All families don't depend upon men. There are people who work. Women are also working nowadays. They are also helping financially a family, and they are also handling the family situations. After working, they go to home and handle the family. Men don't have that much patience. They come from work and relax at home.
But women are very sensitive compared to men.
Yeah, intellectually, women are always weak than men because she knows women always needs the help of men to go out or to do what the things she wants. Men always supports a woman, and she must and a woman always needs a help because in the present day situations, I strongly believe that a woman always needs the help of men, and without a man, woman is always suppressed. Is always suppressed and down to earth.
Women are powerful than men. Women help the men.
Though women are powerful than men, the man always supports a woman, and without the guidance of women,
You are saying that support is given when we have belief in the.
ఆల్రెడీ మార్నింగ్ వెళ్ళి అయింది కదా, నేనేంటి కన్క్లూడ్ బట్